Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about statistics. Let's make it more simple and name it stats, as shown on the dashboard. Stats is a very useful tool in the filtering product. You can check blocked websites to see the number of requests to a blocked domain. Using the Stats tab, you can also check the amount of non-blocked requests. With this information, you can configure the SafeDNS filter more accurately to your circumstances. As an example, if you are blocking one social network but notice that the activity on another social network has risen, it is a good point to limit access to that social network as well. Stats can be used as a tracking module to see what domains were accessed and when, and how many requests were blocked or allowed. Let's see together all the features that we have under the tab Stats. The main window with the general stat shows today's activity divided by hours. Please note you can choose your time zone under the cogwheel button at the top of the page on your dashboard. By default, the stats show the summary information for all filtering policies you have, but you can select the needed policy from the drop-down menu and view the stats of a needed policy. Also, there is a switcher allowing you to receive the monthly statistics on your email. So let's have a closer look at the page. First of all, you can choose the time range of the stats view, and then the stat reports divided by sections will be available. Under the activity section, you can see the stats divided by hours or days. The next section, Categories. The Category section allows viewing all the requests as a pie chart, with the percentage of the category sorted descending. The third section, Domains, can be used in fine-tuning the filter setup. You can fetch the list of blocked or non-blocked domains, see the amount of the requests, or even find the domain in the list. And the last section in the general stat is Reset Statistics. You can remove all the stats you have if it's needed. Let's move to the Detailed Stat, a more powerful and advanced tool. The main purpose of the Stats tab is to show the exact date and hour of the visited domain and requests count. There are two ways to get the report, either sending it to the email and checking it later, or viewing it online. Both methods work great. You can use whatever you prefer. The Detail Stats allows you to view the results divided by policy or view the joint report. The same for the range. It can be divided by reports for today, yesterday, week, month, or the custom range. The search function allows you to find the record in the report as well. Let's have a look at the online statistics for today from all policies I have. Here it is. You can see the domain name, the category, the amount of requests, and the exact time. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.